Kia Orana everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video you'll be seeing our experience on the island of Aitutaki in the Cook Islands. While many people visit for a day trip, we are lucky enough to spend an entire week on this tropical paradise, staying in 4 different accommodations. Aitutaki is truly heaven on earth, and you're going to see why in this video. Our first accommodation was Aitutaki Lagoon Private Island Resort. This room was absolutely incredible. It was super spacious and clean, it had a kitchenette, many places to sit and relax, a spacious bathroom with an outdoor shower, and had the most comfortable bed with a perfect view of the beautiful lagoon. We stayed in a beachfront bungalow and paid around $350 New Zealand per night. We really enjoyed our stay at this resort. They offer 10 of great amenities such as bikes, kayaks, stand-up paddleboards, snorkeling equipment, and lounge chairs on the beach. This adults-only resort has 2 pools, a great restaurant and bar, a small gym, and it included breakfast. You can purchase a day pass for $99 per person in New Zealand. Alright, so we just checked out of the Aitutaki Private Lagoon Resort. Wonderful staff, beautiful property, and delicious food and drinks. We're gonna go grab a bite to eat before we check into our Airbnb. We're gonna be staying for another 3 nights. Perched on the hilltop on the main island of Aitutaki was our next accommodation, Moana Villa. It was super spacious with 3 bedrooms, a full kitchen, a nice living room, a large deck with amazing view, and our own private pool, which was our favorite part. We found it on Airbnb and paid around $257 New Zealand per night. A few-minute walk from our accommodation was our next stop, the Pacific Resort Aitutaki. They have great food and drinks at a reasonable price, and the restaurant and spa services are open to guests. It was a great place to spend the day. Right, a lovely place to hang out. This is perfect. We're right in front of the Pacific Resort Aitutaki. Nobody on this beach. Look at this beauty. Alright, we've had a wonderful time hanging out here at the Pacific Resort. We had a great lunch, some great cocktails, and the beach here is absolutely beautiful. So now we're getting ready to grab a great dinner. Did I mention the food here is incredible? The restaurant has a great menu with a beautiful view of the lagoon. Be sure to make a reservation as they often reach capacity. Depending on where you're staying, I would recommend renting a car to get around the island. We rented a car through Easy Car Rentals and paid around $70 New Zealand per day. We would discover a couple great restaurants like Blue Lagoon and our favorite Avatea Cafe. We're all set for a new day here in Aitutaki. We're actually going to be checking into a new hotel today, and we're going to be checking out of this beautiful Airbnb right behind me. We really enjoyed our stay here. This next hotel is going to be right on the beach, a place called Tamanu Beach, and definitely looking forward to staying there. We're staying there only for 1 night because that's all they had available. So we're all set for a nice good day here in Aitutaki, but first, coffee. We checked into our third accommodation, Tamanu Beach Resort. Our room was clean and spacious with a modern and luxurious tropical vibe. It had a beautiful bathroom with an indoor and outdoor shower, a small kitchenette, AC, TV, and a private terrace to relax. It had a pool and was only steps away from one of the best beaches on the island. We paid around $485 New Zealand per night. Orana everyone, good morning. Today we're going to be heading off on a tour. We've got 2 tours back to back. Super excited to explore some nice blue water. The weather has been rainy here this morning and we're hoping it clears up a bit, but we're ready to go have a good day. Let's go. To experience the true beauty of the island, you have to get out on a boat. We booked our tour with Bishop's Cruises and paid around $140 New Zealand per person. The tour would include 3 amazing stops and a delicious barbecue lunch on the famous 1 Foot Island. The snorkeling was spectacular. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this. Now we're off to one of the main sights to see here. Off to 1 Foot Island. We're going to be walking on the sandbar straight to the island. Like a postcard photo, seriously. Unreal, unreal. You gotta see this in person. Water's so blue. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to bring your passport to get one of the rarest stamps in the world at the world's smallest uninhabited post office.
Now you're a citizen of 1 Foot Island.
One of the rarest stamps in the world here. Alright, we're back from our tour. We had a fabulous time. We're going to get ready for another tour tomorrow. So we're going to let you go for now and we're going to see you on the next tour. Hey sun lovers, I'm thrilled to introduce an exciting new product. Introducing Noni Soul Organic Soothing After Sun Cream. Packed with powerful ingredients to nourish and rejuvenate sun-damaged skin, you are sure to fall in love. Discover the magic of Noni and check out our store through the product link. Now let's dive back into the video. We booked our next tour with Teki and Lagoon Tours Aitutaki and paid around $160 New Zealand per person. This tour gave me a true appreciation for the beauty of this island. We made around 5 stops with a fantastic lunch, and if you like snorkeling as much as I do, you will not be disappointed. After some incredible snorkeling, we would arrive at Honeymooon Island, which was one of my favorite stops on the tour. This beautiful strip of white sand surrounded by different shades of turquoise water is truly my definition of paradise. I can't emphasize enough how incredible this tour was. After snorkeling in crystal clear waters, exploring the coral reef, and visiting Honeymooon Island, we were treated to an amazing lunch on a beautiful motu. We would stay for around 1 hour before getting back in the water for some more epic snorkeling. our day was amazing to say the least, and our next stop was back to One Foot Island where we visited the previous day. One Foot Island is often ranked as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world and was definitely one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever seen. Amazing tour, amazing time. We just made it back to our accommodation. We're staying at a place called Paradise Cove. This is our 4th hotel we stayed at in Aitutaki. It's absolutely gorgeous. We checked in late last night, so I'm going to show you a little bit around this property. We paid around $190 New Zealand per night for this beach bungalow. The staff here is extremely hospitable and the location is great. They have an on-site restaurant and bar and it included breakfast. We really enjoyed our stay. I want to thank you all for watching my video. If you are planning a trip to Aitutaki, be ready for some beautiful white sand beaches, epic snorkeling, delicious food, and some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our future travels. I will see you all in the next video.